Hey Grizzlython judges, I'm Kevin, one of the co-founders of Underdog, and today I'm going to walk you through the Underdog API powered by the launch of our custom program. First, let's start with some context on why we're building Underdog. To be honest, Web3 apps really suck. Outside of creating more crypto, like flipping NFTs or trading shitcoins, there is no value. While Web3 projects promise a big roadmap, it takes a lot of time and money to make a good Web3 experience. This makes it hard to take advantage of what makes Web3 different from Web2, composability. But people still really want crypto. With over 8 million avatar collectibles on Reddit to 30K Starbucks customers starting their Odyssey journey, demand for unique Web3 experiences is just getting started. What the success stories have in common, though, is Web2 is in the front and Web3 is in the back. So how does the Underdog API solve for that? We make it seamless to integrate dynamic NFTs into any product or workflow. The API handles everything Web3, from minting NFTs without signatures or transaction fees to indexing all your NFTs and collections. Our API also has NFTs that can be transferable, non-transferable, and updatable. With just a simple API call, you can capture Web2 data from your favorite community tools like Discord and Telegram, or even within your own app, and summarize that information on an NFT. The Underdog API makes Web3 in the back easy, and we've seen some early use cases built on the API that show just how easy it is. DAOs like Superteam are building an on-chain reputation system with our dynamic NFTs. DeFi services like Parcel have evolving early adopter NFTs when users trade. Social protocols like Dispatch forums are minting soulbound rewards with our API. NFT projects like Boo Ventures are capturing Discord engagement on an NFT. To show you just how all of this works, let's dive into the Underdog dashboard. In the Underdog dashboard, you'll be able to manage your NFT projects, generate an API key, and access developer tooling. We have both a mainnet and DevNet API, so let's switch over to DevNet for today's example. We'll go through end-to-end how to create a non-transferable NFT project, distribute those NFTs, and update them. What's important to emphasize here is anything done in the dashboard I can also do with the API. So we don't have to wait, let's go into Project Charmander, a non-transferable project of Charmander NFTs that evolve and level up. Let's go ahead and create a new Charmander NFT, and since you get your starter Pokemon at level 5 from Professor Oak, let's just set the level to 5. Once the NFT metadata is ready, we can go ahead and generate a private claim link and have my backpack wallet claim the NFT. Since the NFT is non-transferable, we require the claimer to sign the transaction to prevent any spam. I'll go ahead and hit claim and wait for the transaction to process. Once the NFT is claimed, I can view it on Explorer, see that it's verified as part of the NFT project I created with a level 5 attribute. In the dashboard, I can update the level attribute, but I'll hop over to Postman to evolve my Charmander to a Charmeleon at level 16 with an API request. I've set up a Postman workspace with my Underdog API key and make a put request to update an NFT by ID. I pass in the updated level attribute and the updated Charmeleon image in the request body. Once I make the request, we can see the NFT evolve on Explorer with its new level. To recap, we've built a mintor, an updator, and an indexer. Not 3 separate products, all in one API. What makes Underdog uniquely scalable is our program architecture that leverages Solana PDAs to auto-index our NFTs. This toes the delicate balance between security and ease of use, so builders can focus on their product experience instead of munging account data. The future of Underdog is more than just an API. We have partnered with Zapier to bridge data stuck in Web2 silos and bring them to our dynamic NFTs. Our NFTs become the data standard that makes building interoperable products easy. No more Web 2.5. It's just the web. To walk through just how easy it is to bring your data on-chain, I'm going to hand it off to my co-founder, Tony.
Cool. Thanks, Kevin. Let's go ahead and break down this MailChimp and Underdog protocol integration. When a new subscriber comes within MailChimp, I can create a non-transferable NFT in Underdog. We're going to get a claim link that we're then going to send out via a Gmail. So you can imagine as a enterprise, I don't want to spend a lot of resources testing these digital collectibles. So you can use this. I'm a shopper. I want to get perks and rewards at this beauty and fashion company. So I'm going to subscribe to this newsletter. So with the integration, I'm going to receive a claim link for this digital collectible. Here's the digital collectible. I can now claim this. This should give me access to a lot of cool perks and rewards in the future. So you can imagine in the world where this is connected to a POS system, you'll see my LTV, the type of buyer I am, and more. Back to you, Kevin.
Thanks, Tony. To wrap up, wanted to touch on how we price the API and initial traction. We charge per NFT per month to use our API as a minter, updater, and indexer. The per NFT price ranges from 5 cents for larger enterprise customers to 39 cents for our starter plan, which starts at $39 for 100 NFTs. We have 67K NFTs in pipeline from partners that we can't say much stuff about right now, but big things are ultimately on the way for Underdog. If you made it this far, thanks for spending time to learn more about what Tony, King, and I are building. To learn more about how to build with Underdog, scan the QR code to links to our docs, Zapier integration, and more.